Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a nice, sleek paper towel holder for your countertop, then you have found it with this one right here from Gourmet Easy. Now, what's awesome about this paper towel holder is you can simply walk by it, yank that one paper towel, and the whole thing stays in place. What makes it do that? Well, a couple of different factors. First of all, this base is heavy, and it also has a non-slip grip on the bottom, so it really allows the entire holder to just stay put. Additionally, it has a tension area on the inside, which holds the entire roll in place and gives just enough tension to allow you to rip that paper towel right off. This has a really nice, sleek, and minimalistic design. It actually folds completely up when it's time to store it if I'm not using it at the time, which is a really nice feature. It didn't matter if I had a new full roll of paper towels or if I was getting down to the end, pulling those sheets off was nice and easy. It is made of a nice stainless steel, so it's extremely durable too. One thing I noticed too is that paper towel roll, it doesn't spin around either. So when you're pulling, the roll itself is not circling, it's staying put and the sheet of the paper towel rips right off. If you're looking for a beautiful, practical, and functional paper towel holder, then you have found it with this one from Gourmet Easy. But that's just my point of view.